Hi everyone, it's Saturday the 13th of July, so it's day 13 of the challenge. I'm filming both Saturday the 13th and Sunday the 14th items because I'm not going to be around tomorrow. I'm actually spending the day / night in a hotel, a really nice one here in Hertfordshire, so I'm really looking forward to it. I'm going to have room service, I'm going to have a big old bed to myself, I'm not going to have a 5 o'clock wake up, so yeah, I can't wait. But I need to film these bits then before that for you guys. And also I've just come back from getting my nails done, so they're brand new. So it's pretty good. Yeah, I'm having a bit of a self-care weekend, which is really nice. And that's it really in terms of updates. Just going to chill today watching the Wimbledon women's final and then the men's final tomorrow. We're moving house in a couple of weeks. A couple of people coming to view the apartment today, the flat, so we're going to be out for a little drive as a family when they come, because I just hate awkward small talk if I'm honest, and find it really awkward and really weird. So yeah, when the agents come we'll be gone. So yes, I thought I'd film this now before all that happens, and I can put this stuff away because you need to make it look a little bit neat when people come to view the house. So yeah, that's everything going on with me. Let me start and show you the 13 bits I'm getting rid of. Right, so we'll start off with just one item, which is a bag that I am going to part with. It's lovely. It's this really gorgeous pebbled leather bag from COS. Such a nice bag. Zip compartment here, gorgeous leather. It kind of closes with a magnetic clasp. You can extend it here. It's current season. It was bought for like £135, which is nuts because I haven't used it. I'm kind of wanting to get the Saint Laurent tote at some point in the future, and I thought, you know what, I don't use this. They're going to be duplicates. I got the other one from Urban Outfitters that I showed in my handbag. I think it was my handbag collection, or no, it wasn't in there at that point. One of my videos recently I showed another one that I got from Urban Outfitters, which I prefer. I feel like this is, I don't know, I just don't use it right now, so I'm going to part with it. So it's a real shame. I love these trousers from Zara, and I've been wearing them a lot over spring summer because I bought them for spring summer, but you can't really see it here, but for some reason it's come out in like huge stains out of the washing machine, and I don't know why, and I don't know how to get rid of them. Like, I've tried and I just don't have time or energy to deal with it, to be honest. They're staining all over them in various spots. So yeah, I'm just going to have to recycle these. I don't have the energy to try and fix them. Really frustrating because I love those and they fit really nicely. I've got a couple of belts. I say a couple. I've got 1, 2, 3 skinny belts from ASOS that I bought last year when I was pregnant. I thought this would be kind of cool to cinch in my non-existent waist at the time. But I didn't really use them, so they're gonna go. They're totally not me, but it was all that I could see at the time. They're kind of glossy and just not my style, so they're gonna go. Got this belt also from ASOS. I don't wear it. It's kind of take on the double G Gucci belt, but I kind of prefer sort of the real thing in terms of you know, trend pieces or designer pieces than replicas, I suppose. And I even feel the same way with that with my Chanel slingback dupes. Like, I'd rather just have the real thing and save up for it. So they don't really get used much, and this doesn't get used at all, so this is going to go. Then I've got a couple of random things. So I think this belt came off something, this fabric-y type belt, that's going to go. And then this belt is a bit small, came with a pair of white jeans from ASOS, and I don't use the belt. The belt's kind of like a small waist, like a 30 waist, but the jeans were like a 34 or 32, so it doesn't really fit. So that's going to go. And I rarely use the belts that come with items, so they're just gonna all go. Then we have some random pairs of socks, just 4 pairs of socks that have seen better days, they're passing. And then we've got my guitar tuner. So I used to use this when I played clarinet back in the day, and I still do, but I just haven't played clarinet for a very long time. And I used to also use it when I was tuning my guitar, but Nicholas has much better tuners, so we're going to get rid of this one. And that's the 13 items for today. Okay, so that was a quick rundown of the 13 items for today. It's getting a bit random, so I know it's because I need to delve deeply into my winter clothing collection, and it's not out at the moment. So obviously it's summer at the moment, and we have packed away all our winter clothes, so the summer stuff is out now, and then I'll bring out my winter clothes kind of like end of August, beginning of September. But I might just go up into my wardrobe for this challenge and start looking through stuff, and it'll be helpful when we move anyway, because I don't have to move all the winter stuff I don't want, because I feel like I've gone through my summer wardrobe now and I'm happy with what I've got. So I don't really want to take any more stuff out of there if I don't have to. So yeah, I think the next step will be delving into my winter boxes and seeing what I can part with there in terms of clothing. So on to tomorrow's stuff. So 14 items that I'll be just passing with tomorrow, and they are all from my makeup drawers again. So let's start off with this side. So remember when I did makeup last time, I talked to you about not really being into liquid lipsticks, and I did keep some, but then I had another look yesterday and I was like, well, I'm just literally going to keep the Milani ones, because I really like the way they feel on my lips. They dry really, really well, but are not drying, and they smell great. So I've kept 2 liquid lipsticks out of my whole collection, and all of these are going. So these are Colourpop ones. There's 3 of those. You've got a lip paint that was from Superdrug, I think. Oh no, L'Oreal Paris. So that's going, I don't use that. Got an NYX kind of like lip cream that I don't use in colour Can. That's gonna go. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 lip pencils in colours that I don't really need or use anymore, so they're gonna go. I've got I had 3 pairs of eyebrow tweezers, so I've kept 2, and that one's gonna go. I've got Pro LA Girl concealers, which I like in fawn and chestnut. I kept those, and I've got rid of the colour corrector because I don't have time to colour correct in my life at the moment. And I've got rid of this darker colour which I'd bought thinking I was going to use it for contouring, but I used powder instead, so that's going to go. And then I have got this eyebrow kit from Sleek that I no longer use because I only use a pencil, and then another eyeshadow palette that I don't use. So that's 14 items that are for tomorrow. I can hear some serious screaming from Bubs, so I'm gonna cut this here and see what's going on, and I will catch up with you for week 3, where I will have to get rid of goodness knows how many items. We'll see how I do. Take care, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye.